We believe that architecture has meaning. We try and create beautiful spaces that not only respond to the user groups, but the communities at large.
The Riazzi Substation, for Duquesne Light, that's going to power both Pitt and CMU. The big thing is it adds value. That could have been a real negative space down there, and it's not anymore. And people are going to talk about that building because of the unique design.
I mean, it could just have been a concrete box, but we wanted to elevate that project and make it something different and give it its own story. And I think we've done that. Originally, we had 3 concepts. One had a textured precast concrete facade. One had a screen that was really more about light. And then the fin option, which we progressed from concept. And that was really about bringing movement to the facade. And then when that option was selected, they were like, okay, what's the product? And I was like, hold that.
So the challenge was her rendering. Could we do it in a cost-effective way to make the twists work?
And that's where, CS came into it.
Another manufacturer might have proposed to do just single fins, right? And then, put up support systems all over the building and then just mount one fin at a time. The fact that CS did it panelized was huge.
The building has really come together, and it really matches the rendering, and I'm really pleased. Like the color variation that you get in the fins, even though they're all, painted one color, the shade and shadow that you get with the twisting is exactly what we hoped for. No, I mean, just look, like, the sun is up there now and here, and then you get like the shade, and over here, you can see it in shop drawings, you can see it in details, but until you see it at full scale on the building, that's when you know that it's right.
So in this project, Construction Specialties, they were a key role in this because they had to take the design and engineer it to work on the project. And that was probably one of the most impressive things about this project from this side of the table. Their engineering, their capability, then production, they hit it out of the ballpark.
I think with all the projects that we do here, we try to understand the community, the context, and make sure that the projects that we're introducing are an extension of the communities, really. So there's a lot to draw from in the neighborhood where the Riazzi Substation is located. I mean, there's a small neighborhood. There was the bicycle traffic on the way to the park. We're neighboring Carnegie Mellon University and the University of Pittsburgh. So there's a lot of context to respond to. It's fun to sort of just drive by. There's always somebody behind me, but I always want to just drive by slowly. I think that it's effective. It does what we wanted it to do.
CS's panelized twisted fin system helped to win the day.